young willow dragon lived in the Rockstone mountains of Scotland. Every day the playful young dragon woke up early in the morning and flew all around the mountains and valleys looking for something to do. When he was hungry, he would go home to his cave where Mummy Dragon would have horse soup ready for his dinner. Why your veins and wet ready for tea? I have made your favorite today, darling. Stew and toad soup, said Mummy Dragon. The lion sighed. Hey, thank you, Mom, he said sadly. Whatever is the matter, son? Every day you come back home happily for your tea, but today you look so sad, inquired Mummy Dragon. I am lonely, I cannot find everyone to play with. In the All Lakes Mountains and Valley in Rockstone, there is not single dragon for me to play with, he grumbled. Well, how about his for an idea? Why do not you fly down to the village playground and see if the children there want to play with you? The lion woke up bright and early the next day. He was very excited that he would soon have friends to play with every day. He put on his baseball cap and school tie and flew past the valleys and mountains until he reached the little village of Fluck Creek. He glided down to passerby to ask for directions to children's playground. That way pointed the covering man. Oh, he must be cold, thought the lion after all. Humans don't breathe fire like dragons, so they must find it very difficult to keep warm. Not long after the dragon came in for a swift landing in the center of the playground. The playground was filled with smart young children in bright red and grey uniform with their school tie. The lion touched at his tie and cleared his throat. He felt very well dressed for the occasion. He was about to open his mouth to introduce himself when he suddenly heard, Allah, run. It's a dragon. He is going to burn you alive, yelled one of the young boys. All the children ran frantically towards the exit and disappearing in no time. The lion sighed sadly. All they wanted was some friends to play with, but clearly humans were very scared of dragons. He flew home with his head hung low to see what Mummy Dragon had made for tea. The next day the lion decided to try and make friends with the children in the playground again. He tucked his wide handkerchief in his left gill and scooped up a large branch laying on the floor. He made it into a white slender flag. He crossed his claws and hoped the children would give him another chance. Dawn he flew again into the center of the playground with his white slender flag clean hair in his dew. I just want to play and be friends, he said softly. But how will you play with us? Shouted one of the girls. You are too big for our swings and sleds. You won't fit in out round about. Well, why does not I take you on for a ride to the village and the mountains of Rockstone? Yes, Squirrel did. All the children at once. They climbed into the lion's back, and off the children went on a very exciting flight. From that they land and the playground, children but friends, and every day Dylan the dragon would take the children on the best playground ride ever. Thank you.